Using the customer portal. Hello, welcome to your Weber Basin Water Conservancy District customer portal. Today I'll be showing you an overview of the customer portal, along with the tools available to help you better manage your water use. To start off, once you log in, you will see the Home menu displaying your account information. This lists your name, address, and other details pertaining to your secondary water consumption. Under the Meter Information section, you will see the last 24 hours use, along with the average use for the last 30 days. The Daily Use tab shows how many gallons were used per calendar day and can show up to a month of use. The Hourly Use tab shows how many gallons of water were used each hour. This tab is useful for knowing how much water is going through your system, either by a full irrigation cycle, a specific zone, or detecting leaks when no water is scheduled to be used. The tab labeled This Year Use has water use broken down by month. Each meter is read monthly around the 15th and shows water used from the last meter read. The usage from that read then shows up on the following statement. Finally, the Historical Use tab shows the current year's use in comparison to that of previous years where a meter was present. The Alerts configuration menu lets you set up and manage alerts for your account. Under the Manage My Contact Info section, you can see the phone numbers or email addresses associated with your account. You can also add, edit, or delete any of these as your contact information changes. The Leak Alert section allows alerts to be sent out either by text message, email, or both if there is a constant flow through your meter. A constantly flowing line can indicate your system has a leak that needs to be repaired. First hit Enable, set the criteria for how long water flows before being alerted here. Finally, check the boxes for what type of alert you want generated. The Usage Alerts section can be set up to notify you if your system is using a specified number of gallons over a given time frame. This too can be texted or emailed and is for your information purposes. Vacation alerts can be sent to notify you if you want to limit an alert by calendar dates put into these boxes. Vacation alerts work like usage alerts, but only between the given start and stop dates. Allocation alerts are here to help alert you when you have reached the selected percentage of your yearly allocation. This is the amount of water you have contracted with the district for delivery on a yearly basis. You can use this tool to ensure you don't use too much too early and have water throughout the entire irrigation season. Finally, the Alerts Sent section shows all previous alerts sent out by our system. Back up at the top of your customer portal is the Contact Us menu. If you have any questions about what you see on your customer portal, you can use the Contact Us menu to send a message, which we will respond to as soon as possible. The Manage menu is where you can change your customer portal account password or sign up for paperless statements. Finally, the Log Off menu is located at the top right of the screen. Please remember to use this button if you are using a public computer. With all these tools available to our metered customers, we hope you use your portal to its fullest potential to keep tabs on your secondary water use. Try making small adjustments to when and how you water, then check your account for results. Together, we can make every drop count.